Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. In the last video, we are learn about JavaScript variables, and today we are going to learn about an important JavaScript topic, data types. So let's get started. First, what are the data types? Data types simply tell us what type of value we are storing in a variable. In JavaScript, data types are mainly divided into two categories, primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Let's understand them one by one with some practical example. Primitive data types are simple and basic values. JavaScript has 7 primitive data types. Let's check them one by one in the browser console. The first one is string. A string is used to store text. Let me show you an example in the console. Let name is equal to Ifra. Console.log name semicolon. Ifra. Here Ifra is a string because it is a text. The second one is number. A number is used to store numbers. Let's try it in the console. Let age is equal to 24 semicolon console.log age semicolon. 24 is a number. The third one is Boolean. Boolean has only two values, true or false. Let's see an example. Let is student is equal to true semicolon. Console.log is student semicolon true. So because the value is true, this is a boolean. We also change it to false is let logged in is equal to false. Console.log is logged in. Next is undefined. If we create a variable but don't give it any value, JavaScript gives it the value undefined. Let's check it. Let city console.log city semicolon. So when no value is assigned, we get undefined. Next is null. Null means we intentionally don't have a value. Let's see an example. Let result is equal to null semicolon. Now console.log result. Here we have intentionally assigned null to the variable. Next is BigInt. BigInt is used to store very large whole number. Let's see an example. Let big number 0 n semicolon. Console.log big number Notice the n at the end. That n tells JavaScript that this value is a big int. As a beginner, you don't need to use big int very often. Just remember that it is one of the primitive data types. And the last primitive data type is symbol is used to create unique value. Let's see example. Let id is equal to symbol and semicolon. Now console.log symbol id. You don't need to go deep into symbol right now. Just remember that symbol is also a primitive data type. Now let's talk about non-primitive data types. These are also called reference data types. Some common examples are object, array, function. Let's see them practically. An object can store multiple related values together. Let's create one. Let user is equal to name Zikra, age 24, semicolon. Console.log user and semicolon. Name is Zikra, age is 24. Here we are storing the user's name and age together inside an object. Next is array. Array is used to store multiple values in one variable. Let's try it. Let skills is equal to HTML, comma, CSS, comma, JavaScript. Colon. Now console.log skills, semicolon, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Here we have stored three skills inside one array. And the last example is function. A function is a block of code that we can use to perform a specific task. Let's create a simple function. Function greet console.log hello semicolon greet semicolon. See hello. Here, greet calls the function and the function prints hello in the console. Don't worry if object array and function are new to you. We will learn all of these topics in more detail later in this JavaScript series. For now, just understand the basic idea. So let's quickly revise primitive data types string, number, boolean, undefined, null, BigInt, and symbol. Non-primitive data types object, array, and function. You don't have to memorize everything in one day. Practice this example yourself in the console. Try changing the value and see what happens. And that's it for today's lesson. If you are beginner and some concepts are still confusing, don't worry. It is completely normal when you learning JavaScript. The most important thing is to keep practicing. Try this example on your own experiment with different values and don't be afraid to make mistakes. And if you have any doubt or question, let me know in the comments. I will try my best to help you. If this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Code with Khan Developer, and share it with someone who is also learning JavaScript. This channel is all about simple and beginner friendly coding tutorials. So we will learn everything step by step. Keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep coding. See you in the next video. Bye.